Hey there, future philanthropists. Welcome to today's masterclass on creating your own family foundation. Yes, that's right. Not only can you binge-watch Netflix as a family, but you can also build a legacy together. And the best part? You don't have to be a Rockefeller or a Kardashian to do it. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your family foundation, make a meaningful impact, and get a few tax perks along the way. Oh, and we've sprinkled in a little humor to make sure you don't snooze during all this legal and financial talk. Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is a family foundation? Think of it as a family business, except instead of selling products or services, you're selling hope, kindness, and the warm, fuzzy feeling you get from helping others. Essentially, it's a private foundation, funded by your family's assets, used to support the causes you care about. Now, before you start imagining fancy galas with everyone in tuxedos and evening gowns, let me stop you. A family foundation doesn't have to be extravagant. You don't need to donate millions to save endangered penguins. Although, if that's your thing, more power to you. Okay, so why should you create one? Here's a quick rundown of the benefits. Besides being able to say, "Oh, I'm on the board of our family foundation" at dinner parties. 1. Leave a legacy. Want to be remembered for more than your legendary barbecue skills? A family foundation allows your name and values to live on through charitable work. 1. Tax advantages. Donations to your foundation are tax deductible. Plus, your family foundation itself enjoys tax-exempt status. It's like getting a high five from the IRS. Well, almost. 1. Family bonding. What's better than arguing over what movie to watch? Arguing over which charity to support? Kidding, of course. A foundation brings your family together for meaningful discussions. 1. Control over giving. Unlike one-time donations, a foundation gives you control over how funds are distributed, ensuring they align with your values and goals. 1. Teach financial responsibility. Involve your kids or grandkids in the decision-making process to teach them about money, generosity, and responsibility. Basically, you're creating mini philanthropists. How cool is that? Now, let's get to the nuts and bolts. Setting up a family foundation might sound like a Herculean task, but we'll break it down step by step. Step 1. Decide your mission. Before you do anything else, ask yourself, what causes matter most to your family? Is it education, environmental conservation, or maybe helping those adorable penguins we talked about earlier? Write down your mission. It's your foundation's North Star. Step 2. Choose the type of foundation. You have two main options. A private foundation, which you control, but requires more paperwork and higher administrative costs. A donor-advised fund, which is simpler but offers less control. Think of it as choosing between cooking from scratch, private foundation, or getting a meal kit, donor-advised fund. Both feed you, but one's a bit more work. Step 3. Fund the foundation. How much money should you start with? That depends on your goals. But remember, even a small foundation can make a big impact. Think $250,000 minimum for a private foundation, or much less for a donor-advised fund. Step 4. File the paperwork. Everyone's favorite step, dealing with bureaucracy. To establish a private foundation, you'll need to create a legal entity, usually a non-profit corporation. File for tax-exempt status with the IRS, Form 1023. Register in your state if required. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds, especially if you have a lawyer or accountant to guide you. Step 5. build a board. Your family foundation needs a governing board. This could be just you and a couple of relatives, or you could invite outside experts. Pro tip: maybe don't put your cousin Larry in charge if he still owes you $50 from that sure thing he invested in last year. Let's talk about the good, the bad, and the paperwork. Pros: you're creating a legacy. Tax benefits galore. Full control over charitable giving. Family bonding. Cons: administrative costs can add up. It requires ongoing effort to manage. Potential for family disagreements, especially if one person loves penguins and another loves pandas. Let's look at a couple of examples to inspire you. The Smith Family Foundation. Started with $500,000, this foundation focuses on funding scholarships for first-generation college students. Each year, they review applications as a family and celebrate the winners with a pizza party. The Green Legacy Fund. The Greens decided to fight climate change. They started small, funding tree planting projects, and now they're sponsoring entire reforestation initiatives. Both foundations started with a clear mission and grew over time. Remember, it's not about how much money you start with, it's about the impact you make. Here are a few pro tips to make your family foundation a success. 1. Communicate regularly. Hold family meetings to discuss goals, review donations, and keep everyone on the same page. 1. Start small. You don't need billions to start. Focus on achievable goals and scale up over time. 1. Hire. Help. Accountants and lawyers are your friends. Let them handle the tricky stuff. 1. Stay focused. Avoid spreading your resources too thin. Pick 1 or 2 causes and make a real difference. Congratulations! You've just unlocked the secrets to creating a family foundation. Now it's time to turn your family's values into action. If you found this video helpful, or if it inspired you to start your own legacy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Seriously, don't miss out on more tips that can change your life and your finances. And hey, share this video with your family. Who knows? Uncle Larry might even pitch in. Finally. Thanks for watching, and here's to building a legacy that lasts for generations. See you next time.